Today it's Monday, January 8th, 2024. What did I say earlier on the C-Class? 2023? I don't remember. Yeah. This is a GL500 that I haven't made any video. I forget completely to make any video. Oh boy, can you make a little bit down? Kilometers we're not gonna see because the battery is not on. What have we done here till now? Okay, sir. Now, we have resealed, they opened the covers, the guys, for me, the actuator here. We have changed the seal on the actuator and we have resealed it again because it was leaking. Both of them. This one, that's the sealant, what I apply all the time. A little bit, no need more. So, new seals on the actuators, resealing the covers here front to don't have any leak. New seal for the oil filter housing, okay. New turbocharger lines, new engine oil heat exchanger seal that has behind there. And another one thing that was leaking, classic, common, it's the solenoid for the hydraulic pump here. And we're looking now either O-rings or the solenoid, because sometimes it's leaking the solenoid itself. The O-rings became flat, classic. If we get a new solenoid with the fresh O-rings and we put it on, it's gonna be amazing. What can I say about that? Because there is a rate of leak also from here. So we grab the leak from this one, from the covers here, and from the engine oil heat exchanger. It's a good thing to get also the leak from here. All right. Now, what they have done here, the guys, you have changed. Correct me if I'm wrong, Mr. Derek, because I'm not following up here. The axle boots are new, as I can see. All four pieces. Beautiful. Then we see here the bushes for the lower arms are new. These are the new one. You have the old one. So just to showing how it looks like. It looks like shit, the old bushes, you know? Yeah. All right. That's how it looks like, the bushes. Actually, it's not by pressing it. It is a little bit by pressing it, but even before we press it, it was completely gone. Yeah, take it there. We have a new thermostat here. We are waiting the O-ring.
Yeah. Or the O-ring.
The O-ring, okay. Yeah. Then what do you have here?
Filter.
Filter, okay. Yeah. You have a belt. This is the old seal.
Yeah, that's it.
All right. Then we have pulleys and belt. Belt you have, pulleys over there.
No.
Pulleys there.
Oh yeah.
Pulleys and tension, right? Yeah. All right, fine. You have already cleaned the pipes. Amazing. Well done. All right, from here up, we can see kilometers. No, I don't think so. It's not connected to the battery, right? No. Okay. All right. Okay. GL500 with some kilometers. It is a 2013 model. All right. Not an AMG. Can you please lift it up to show also the car from down? I forget completely to make a video. Yeah. Just a second to lift it up. So back over here, the guys, they have changed the axle boots. Okay, nice and fresh. One was leaking and the other one was cracked. Now has fresh axle boots. There was also a problem with the stabilizer bar, right? The bushes. Yeah. So the one bush here from the driver's side was completely gone. Derek, don't go the oil on the new bush, please. Wipe it. Don't go on the new rubber. It's not good. This is supposed to be hydraulic oil. Yeah, most probably from the pump. Wipe it down here to don't end up on the rubber. So new bush is here. You haven't torqued it down. Wipe it. Don't enter there. Don't go in the on the bush. This is an aftermarket bushes because, as far as I remember, you have to get a new stabilizer bar. Yeah. Protection for the radiator. Don't hurt it. Nice. Very good, guys. Well done. 1 second. Alright, so like I said, bushes for the stabilizer bar, it's new. Then there was a leak from the front differential seal, and this is the new one. Then the bush, this bush, it's new one. This bush, it's new one, and this is new for the front diff. Plus this seal, it's new from this side. Alright, we're not gonna have any leak. You're gonna put a new oil inside. Alright, splendid. I resealed the oil pan because they need to come out the oil pan to be more easy to remove the diff. Okay, a little bit of sealant, not that much, less than the factory. Okay, you can see over there. Splendid. So, you make also transmission oil service?
Yeah.
Ah, you did already?
Yes.
Transmission oil and filter and seal. It's been serviced. Nice. Differential rear diff oil?
Not yet.
Not yet, but you will gonna change.
Yes.
Nice. Okay. 1, 2 here. Lovely. Transfer case oil.
Not yet.
But you have the oil.
Yeah.
Amazing. Splendid. 1 second. Yes, you have the fluid. Rear diff, front diff. Transfer case oil. Okay. Oh, we have also the tennis ball here. Amazing. That was the seal?
Yes. Silicone on it.
They put the silicone?
Yeah.
What the? They open it and they put silicone, and then they put the, instead of putting a new one, they put the silicone. How smart. Some people, they're so smart. Some people. Yeah, alright. We're gonna do it right this time. We're not gonna make a bullshit. Not us. I don't know who fixed it before, by the way. Yeah, I don't know. I think there was one minor accident front, not something crazy. Yeah, insurance. What you're expecting from insurance. So that's the status. Okay. Now, I'm gonna upload this video for the owner to see that we are moving on. Okay. By the way, like the GLE, like the ML63, same thing also with GL500. This is the transmission oil thermostat, and you have an access also from here. You can modify it if you want, because until it warms up, it's going this way, the oil. It's not going through the cooler, and when it's open, it's opening the path, and then it moves front to the cooler. Classic. Yeah, nothing new here. Alright, we're looking good, right? Did I forget something, Mr. Derek? Because you are working here. I covered everything pretty much?
Yep. Yes, I think
Brakes and these things, it was fine, right?
Yeah.
Alright, nice. Lovely. So that's the story with the GL. Do we have a health report to see the kilometers?
on the car.
Okay, never mind. I'm gonna write X kilometers, and then at the end I'm gonna edit the title of the video. So no worries.
The chocolate's in the office.
No worries. It's not that much important. We're gonna put it later. I'm gonna edit the title. I'm gonna leave it blank there, and I'm gonna edit later on. That's the status of the GL. We're gonna be ready. We're gonna mount the guys, also the rest of the things. We're gonna see it all together. You know what's the headache? The stupid solenoid for the hydraulic pump. That's the. Oh boy, we're gonna delay us this stupid thing. That's yeah. All right. Over and out. When we have everything, I'm gonna make another video. Just a small update for this car, because I totally forget to make a video. I was willing to make a video before we changed everything, but the owner, he was here when he was checking the car, right? He was here, yeah, okay, he was here. So, yeah, he saw it with his own eyes, and now we put the new parts on, yeah. That's it, thank you, over and out.